Right, good morning. So your questions are on the screen for you there. You know the drill by now. Pause it if you want to have a go. If not, have a go along with me. I really do need a script for that bit, don't I? So 826 equals 800, add y, add 6. What's y? Well, let's work that out. It's going to be the 2, isn't it? So it's 20. That one's pretty easy. Y is 20. 800 add 6 would be 806, and we should be at 826, so there's obviously a difference of 20, which is what y is going to be. So that one might look hard, but it's actually dead easy. 5167.4 times 100. If you multiply by 100, everything moves 2 place value columns to the left, so you've got 1, 2. So the 4 is going to end up, well, the 4/10 will end up being 40, so let's do that now, 40, and then you've got 7, 6, 5, which is 516,740, and the decimal point is there, 0.0000, but obviously you don't need that. Okay, so I'm just going to rub it out, but just so you know it hasn't disappeared. Okay, let's check I've got that one right. Yeah, and they've, in fact, in the answer they've put the 0.0, but I wouldn't put that. 7891.2 dividing by 100 means everything moves 2 place value columns to the right. So let's take the 7. 1, 2. So the 7 is going to become a 10. So you've got 78.912. Okay, no problems there. The reason I didn't start with the 2 there, the 2/10, is, for me it's alright, but I haven't actually got these place value columns set up, so I might lose track of what's going where. So it's probably easier to do the 7 there, or the 7,000. 5 times 150, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 5 is 25, 750. Okay, sorry, I haven't written anything for that. 5 times 100 equals 500. 5 times 50, well, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 50 is 250. Add them together and you get 750. Okay, could obviously use formal multiplication for that one, but what's the point? 3.6 divided by 10, everything moves 1 place value column to the right, so it's 0.36. Okay, and again, ignore that. That's just me putting a full stop on the end of my own number there. Okay, lovely and easy today so far. 14 subtract y is the same as 36 divided by 6. Well, that equals 6, so 14 subtract y must be 6. Okay, so let's do 14 subtract 6 equals y. 14 subtract 6 is 8, so y must be 8. And we can try that out. 14 subtract 8 equals 6. Yep. So what is y? Y is 8. A lot of algebra here. We haven't massively come across it this year yet. 8, 5, 6, 5 to the nearest 100. That's the hundreds column. 1 place value column to the right is a 6 that rounds up, so it's 8,600. Not just 600, obviously you need the 8,000 on. Nearest 10,000, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Oops, 8. 8 to the nearest 10,000 is this column, so place value column to the right. 7, so it rounds up. 5, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. Goodness me, these are easy today. Quarter, ignore that. Quarter as a decimal and a percentage. Okay, well, the decimal is 0.25 and the percentage is 25%. Okay, decimal is obviously out of 1, percentage is out of 100. So you're looking for something that goes into 1 4 times and 100 4 times. And if you notice, it's the same digits, the 2 and the 5. Okay, it's just in a different place value column. So 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 25 goes into 100 4 times, so it's 25%. And 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. Okay, that's one of those things that, for now, working out is fine, but it's definitely worth popping in your head and keeping as a known fact. If somebody asks you what's quarter as a percentage, you should be able to just rattle it off like that. Okay, otherwise you're going to waste time having to calculate that time and time and time again. It's easier just to put it away and remember it, like your times tables. 4.52 to 1 decimal place. That's the 1 decimal place. You look 1 to the right, 2, so it rounds down 4. Oops. 4.5. Easy squeezy. Okay, I'll go over to the challenge question now. Pause it, have a go at it yourself, and then come back and I'll talk you through how to do it. So Barry pays £46 for some tickets to a football match. An adult ticket costs £9, I wish, and a child ticket costs £4. How many tickets does Barry buy? So 46 is made up of 9 times I don't know and 4 times I don't know. Okay. It's quite a tricky one, this one, to be honest, in terms of your method. It's very much just trial and error. So what you need to do, first of all, 9 add 4 equals 13. So it's definitely worth remembering that. So what we can try first of all is seeing if we just keep going, 9 and 4, 9 and 4, 9 and 4, 9 and 4, if we ever hit 46, to see if Barry buys the same amount of adult and child tickets, if that makes sense. So you get 13, and you get 26, which would be 2 adults and 2 children. Then you get 39, which should be 3 adults and 3 children. And then you get, oh, I don't know, 60, 55? We add the 6. What am I doing? Oh, no, I'm not. I'm adding 3. 42, 52. Struggled with that one, didn't I? Which would be 4 and 4. So as you can see, we've missed it, because we should have been at 46. So we did 13, 26, 39, 52. Is that 39? Just check I've got that right. 39 and 13. It is 52, it just doesn't look right. Oh well. Trust myself a little bit more. Okay, so that's not going to work. So let's get rid of that. So that would have been the easy way to calculate the question, but they've obviously made it a bit harder than that. So we're looking at multiples now. So we're going to write all the multiples of 9 out. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. And we can stop at 54, so I'm just going to cross it out. Because he can't buy £54 worth of tickets and only spend 46. So it's pointless having that. And we can get rid of 45. Because if he spends £45 on tickets and then spends £46, he can't buy one child ticket for £4. 45 add 4 isn't 46. So it can't be that. Okay, so we're going to just scribble those out. So we've got multiples of 9, but it has to be one of these multiples he buys. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do the same for 4. So you've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 40, what am I going up in? 44, 48. It can't be. Can't be 44 either, because obviously the same thing. And it can't be 40, but it could be anything below, possibly. So what we do now is just try and add them together and find combinations that would work. So you're looking to do 9 add a multiple of 4 that equals 46. So let's try a big one. 9 add 36 is 45. 9 add 32 is obviously smaller, so it's not 9. Okay, you can spend your time, you can either trust me on that, or you can spend your time doing 9 add 4 equals 13. 9 add 8 and go all the way through, but trust me, you're not going to get to 46. Okay, because this is the biggest one and it's still too small. Okay, so let's try 18. 18 add 36 will be, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for my help. So let's do 9 add 36. No, ignore me, I'm confusing myself now. Right, we finished with 9, haven't we? We don't want that. Right, sorry. I'll switch back on now. Put it down here. So we're going to do 18 add 36. 8 add 6 is... 8 add 6 is 14. 8 add 6 is 14. 54. Okay, way too big. 18 and 36. Yeah, okay. So that's too big, so that's no. 18 and 32 is going to be 50. Because 36 is 4 more than 32, so 54 would be 4 more, okay? However, 18 add 28 is going to be 4 less again, which would be 46, which is what we're after, isn't it? So I found a combination of 9s and 4s that make 46, but the answer says how many tickets does he buy? Well, if he buys £18 worth of adults, he's bought 2 tickets. And if he buys £28 worth of children, he's not children, hasn't bought £28 worth of children, he's bought £28 worth of children's tickets. Just to clear that one up. He's bought 7. So the answer is 9. Together, let me just check the answer, make sure that's right. Yeah, 9. Okay. So the answer is 9. He buys 9 tickets. He buys 2 adults and 7 children. Okay. So that one is very much trial and error. You might spot it quicker than me, you might spot it slower than me. It's one of those, it's not really an issue in terms of your speed as long as you've got your method. Okay. And again, it's about working logically. Okay, I managed to, you could have written all your 9s out and checked them, but obviously I don't need to be doing 90 add what is 46. It's pretty stupid, isn't it? So you start wherever you think is sensible to start. Okay, and try and narrow it down. Right, this is, I don't even know when this is going up. I think it's Friday. Well, it's either Thursday or Friday. Whenever it goes up, I'll see you on the next school day. Either Friday or Monday, whatever I remember what day of the week it is. So yeah, have a nice weekend, whether it's a day away or tomorrow or whatever. I'll shut up now. Goodbye.